Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on LinkedIn without visiting their profile. When you visit someone's profile on LinkedIn, the another person gets notified that you have visited their profile on LinkedIn. LinkedIn doesn't have the feature of blocking someone on LinkedIn without visiting their profile, but you can hide your identity when you block someone on LinkedIn. For this, open your LinkedIn application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your LinkedIn account. Now here you'll be taken to home. Now tap on your profile present on the top left corner. Then tap on settings option present at the bottom. With this, now here you can see visibility option. Tap on visibility option present on the third. Now here you can see profile viewing option. Tap on profile viewing option. Now tap on private mode option present on the last. Now when you view other person's profile, then they won't be able to see your profile. Now you can go back to the home page of your LinkedIn. Then you can select the person that you want to block. Then tap on their profile. After this, you will be able to find three dots present on the right side. Tap on the three dots. With this, now here you can see report or block option. Tap on report or block. Now tap on block option present on the first. With this, here you can see that you will no longer be able to connect with that person when you block the person. So tap on block. With this, now the person will be blocked. Now you won't be able to receive any notification regarding that person on your LinkedIn. This is how we can block someone on LinkedIn without visiting their profile. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.